The Ultraviolette F77 is a striking electric motorcycle that redefines the way performance and sustainability come together on two wheels. With its futuristic design, sharp lines, and aerodynamic build, the F77 instantly commands attention on the road. Its presence is bold and aggressive, designed to reflect speed and agility while maintaining a unique identity that sets it apart from traditional motorcycles. The premium finish, sporty stance, and advanced engineering make it not just a vehicle but a statement of innovation in the EV space. Powered by a high-performance electric motor, the F77 delivers instant torque and acceleration that rivals many conventional sports bikes. It offers multiple riding modes, allowing riders to adapt performance based on terrain, efficiency, or thrill. The bike is engineered for both daily commutes and spirited rides, striking the right balance between practicality and excitement. Its lightweight yet robust frame ensures excellent handling, making city rides smooth while also providing stability at higher speeds. One of the F77's standout features is its advanced battery technology, designed for efficiency and long performance. Depending on the variant, it can deliver impressive ranges on a single charge, making it a reliable option for both short and long rides. Fast charging support ensures minimal downtime, while the modular design of the battery system adds to its versatility. With regenerative braking, the bike not only conserves energy, but also enhances overall ride safety, underlining the perfect blend of innovation and functionality. Beyond performance, the F77 is a connected motorcycle, equipped with cutting-edge digital instrumentation and smart features. Its intuitive interface provides real-time updates on ride analytics, navigation, and battery health, giving riders more control and awareness. The integration of mobile connectivity elevates the riding experience, ensuring seamless interaction between rider and machine. By combining style, power, technology, and sustainability, the Ultraviolette F77 represents a bold step toward the future of motorcycling, designed for those who want performance without compromise.